Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you how to make gradient color in MS Paint. So please watch this video until the end. How to make gradient color in MS Paint. Process. Step 1. Take a new page. Step 2. Take line tool. Step 3. Draw undivided pages into 3 parts. Step 4. Fill each parts with different color. Step 5. Click on Resize option. Step 6. Check Pixel option. Step 7. Uncheck Maintain Ratio. Step 8. Define horizontal 1. Step 9. Again, click Resize. Step 10. Again, check Pixel option. Step 11. Again, uncheck Maintain Ratio. Step 12. Define horizontal 1000. Step 13. Press Enter key. Then you will see result itself. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe it.